The river is this living force that moves relentlessly towards its goal. No obstacles are insurmountable, and the river continues making its progress with grace and eloquence. The Yerba Mansa project started in late 2014 when the City of Albuquerque Open Space approved our request to adopt open space lands and start doing restoration and education programs there. Our Bosque, which is our riparian ecosystem, was in need of tender, loving care. Everyone hates feeling helpless and overwhelmed by the ecological changes they see around them. So this is a way to feel empowered to become part of the positive change. We train our crews to remove non-native invasive Ravenna grass. We also do reseeding of native grasses, native herbaceous medicinal plants, and shrubs. Yerba Mansa is a legendary medicinal herb in the Southwest and beyond. It is a southwestern wetlands plant that likes to grow along riversides, springs, and other wet habitats. Bosque or desert wetland habitats are among the most endangered in the world. As water diversions increase and populations increase, water is a highly valuable commodity, and oftentimes there is not enough water left in the environment to sustain ecosystems, plants, and animals. And as we move forward into the future, all predictions point to less water, higher temperatures, and conditions that are generally going to increase the threat against this plant's habitat. So Yerba Mansa is in many ways a poster child for the concerns that we have about many medicinal plants and their habitats in a future that is going to be hotter and drier. We don't want to wait until there's an overt crisis. We can see the writing on the wall. We want to take action on behalf of Yerba Mansa and other threatened plants while we can still do something.